You are new to Palmpay and you would like to make transaction on the same Palmpay account. Or you would want to transfer money from your Palmpay account to another bank. Kindly follow this step right now. Ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and share to others that it may help. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do, if you are not sending to a Palmpay account, if you are sending to a Palmpay account, you have to tap on to Palmpay. If you are not sending to Palmpay, then follow these steps right now. Tap on to bank, as you can see here, but ensure that you have a certain amount on your account. So enter the account number here. Please do not select to Palmpay, because selecting to Palmpay means you are sending to Palmpay account, to another Palmpay account. So select to bank. So enter the account number. For instance, let me select this, then let me provide the account number. So this bank is an Access Bank, so this is the person I'm sending money to, so I have to confirm it. So any amount you're sending, you can send from 10 naira to 50,000 naira. This is tier 1. I'm in tier 1, so I cannot send beyond 50,000 naira in a day. So I have to, for practical guide only, let me just select 50 naira. So tap on confirm. Then the transaction is successful. Note that the transaction was sent to my own Access Bank account, so I may receive a credit alert now or later. So the money has been successfully sent to my Access Bank account. Just follow this simple step. It is very easy and very quick and very simple. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification. See you in my next video. Bye bye.